guys, welcome to another video for this week, and today we will learn squares of a binomial. Alright, so to start, we all know what is a binomial, right? Binomial is a mathematical expression that has two terms. So 1, 2, this is a binomial. 1, 2, this is another binomial. 1, 2, this is another binomial, okay? So we have first term and second term. Okay, so what will happen if we will square it? Now, let's do number 1 first so that you will get the bigger picture. So, if we will square a binomial a plus b quantity squared, it will be like this: a plus b times a plus b. A plus b times a plus b. Just like if you square a particular number, you will multiply it by itself. Okay? So, we are multiplying it by itself. So, in doing this, we will use the FOIL method. So, first, outer, inner, and last. So, we will have this answer: a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared. And then, a squared plus, we can combine these two variables. So, this would become 2ab plus b squared. And this is our answer. Or, you can actually do the simplified way of answering this. Okay, this is a technique: a plus b squared. So the technique here is this one. The first thing that you will need to do is to square the first variable or term. Square the first term, a squared. Then multiply the exponent and the variables. So 2 times b times a, we have 2ab. So multiply the exponent, which is 2, and the variables, which is a and b. Or if this is number, one of them are number, so 2 times the number times the variable. So in this case, we have the answer of 2ab. And then last is, we will square the last term. So let us square the last term, b squared. This is our answer, and we have the same answer as the answer here, in which we've used the FOIL method. Okay, so which steps or technique you would like to use? I prefer this because this is much easier and more convenient. So let's have number 2. Let's just solve number 2 here. So we have n minus 7 squared. So from the rule, it states square the first term. So n squared. Next, multiply the exponent and the variable. So we have 2 times negative 7, that would be negative 14, times n. We will have negative 14n. Don't forget about the signs. Okay? So 2, this is positive 2 times negative 7. So the answer is negative 14. Positive times negative is negative. And then multiplied by n, we have negative 14n. Then next is square the last term. Negative 7 times negative 7, negative times negative, positive 7 times 7, positive 49. So this is our answer. Number 3. We have 4a plus 1 squared. Okay. So, again, square the first term. 4 squared, or 4 times 4, that would be 16. A times a, that would be a squared. So, square the first term, this is the square. Okay? Next, multiply the exponent and the variable. So, 2 times 1, 2. Times 4a, 2 times 4, that would be positive 8. A. Okay? And then, square the last term, plus 1. So, this is our answer. Last number. We have x plus 2y to the power of 2. So, first term, x squared. And then, multiply the exponent. So, plus 2 times 2, 4 times y, 4y times x, that would be 4xy. Okay? Or you can say 4yx, but we prefer the alphabetical order, so 4xy. And then, square the last term. 2 times 2, 4. Y times y, y squared. So this is the answer. Okay. So that's it. So if I will give you more example, it's just the same pattern. You just need to square the first term, multiply the exponent and the variables, and then square the last term. And yeah, that's it, guys. See you on our next video. Goodbye. Be a math hero. Bye-bye.